welcome back to Opening Crap with Jack. I cannot speak. Today we have a Treasure X Dino Gold. Yes, sir. Okay, we're not going to read the instructions because we don't do that. The hell is this supposed to be? Okay. Well, we seem to have a problem here. I'm going to open this. Underwater for 30 seconds.
Do it again. Under. Oh! What did you? What happened? What happened? We did it! We did it!
Guys, it's revenge.
Oh! I need that. No, we need that.
Oh, I think we were supposed to dig out the dino pieces.
We're definitely not digging out dino pieces. Well.
Okay, so we have our pieces.
Oh.
I should have done what I told him. Oh. Okay.
What is that? Let me see.
A leg, I think.
Oh my, let me see this.
Hold on to this.
Oh my. Oh, I found another piece.
Okay, we got another piece. Okay, so things seem to have gone a little bit south. Now,
I'm just gonna mark this video not as kids, not for kids.
Bro, why did it make this shit so hard to open? Ball sack. Mother. Okay, screw it. This is called use of all the elements of nature. Jack.
I'm dying laughing right now.
Open.
I'm dying laughing.
Only the sponsor of today's episode, Big Energy, can help me.
He's about to turn into Popeye.
Oh wow, that actually worked.
Yeah, that actually worked. Thanks. Go buy yourself a can of Bang Energy drink.
If you feel like not sleeping, go buy yourself a can of Bang Energy.
Well,
What a successful episode of Opening Shit with Jack. Now we are going to complete our crustacean.
it's a dinosaur, not a crustacean.
A shrimp. I know, but this thing should be classified as a crustacean because it's smaller than your nuts.
Oh, I think it's done.
Don't stop it yet. All right, Harrison.
Well, what are we gonna? We literally destroyed the dinosaur.
I think it came in like all together with its legs.
I think we just destroyed it.
Oh, hold up. All right, that's in kind of. Oh yeah, no, we came in and buy yourself Bang Energy.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what, Harrison?
What?
All right, I know how I'm gonna finish this. Okay, now for the end of the video, buy yourself a Coles Bang Energy. Feel the bang.